What's up, guys? This is also Boxver again. Today we are going to look how you can install a website as an app in your computer. First, you will need to have a Microsoft Edge. It's this browser. It's mostly pre-installed in every Windows computer. So if you don't have Microsoft Edge, it's the new Edge. Let's go to the store and install it. First, we click on the start and then on the Microsoft Store. Then we search on the search Edge. You can write Edge on Microsoft Edge. It will come. Sorry about my internet, it's so slow. Then here we get the new Microsoft Edge. I have it, but still download now. After download now, it will open in your default browser, and my default browser is Chrome. It's going to open in Chrome. And this is the steps to install a new Microsoft Edge, and there you already have it. And then you click to download for Windows 10. Yeah. And then you click to download for Windows 10 and then install it. So let's get into how you can install a website as an app. In this tutorial, let's install YouTube. First, you will open that website. On my website that I'm going to try and install it as an app, it's YouTube. After opening the YouTube, maybe whatever website you want to try on, you click on these three dots, and then it will bring this. And after that, you go to apps into this drop down, and then you will see this. It says install this site as an app. Then when you click it, it will ask install app YouTube, install or cancel. So this, for the sake of this story, I'm going to install it. So then here we have the program of YouTube in our computer. When we see it and start menu and start, here it is, it's YouTube. So thank you for sticking out with me. I hope this tutorial teach you something about. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, I will like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe.